Welcome to JH. If you're currently tearing your hair out trying to decide between the VSeeBox V6 Plus and the V5 Pro, relax. I've done the heavy lifting for you. This comparison breaks down the performance, features, and connectivity of both models so you can finally choose the one that fits your streaming habits. Starting with the brains of the operation, the V6 Plus uses a more efficient Amlogic A55 chip, while the V5 Pro often settles for the A35. It's essentially the difference between a caffeinated intern and one who's been on a lunch break for 3 hours, giving the V6 Plus the edge in potential speed. On the software front, the V6 Plus leans into Android 14. While the V5 Pro has seen some updates to the same version, the V6 Plus actually brings useful features to the party, like split-screen viewing. Because apparently, our attention spans have withered to the point where watching just one thing at a time feels like a chore. You also get more preloaded apps and a backlit remote with the V6 Plus, which is a godsend for those of us who prefer living in total darkness. When it comes to connectivity, the V6 Plus steps up with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0 for better wireless performance. Now, some users argue the hardware bump is so subtle you'd need a magnifying glass to notice it, especially if your V5 Pro is already running Android 14. It's the classic tech move, changing the packaging and calling it a revolution. So, which one should you actually buy? Grab the V6 Plus if you demand the absolute latest chip, Wi-Fi 6, and that fancy remote to justify your premium lifestyle. However, if you stumble upon a great deal on the V5 Pro, take it. It's still a very capable box that offers the same core streaming functions, proving that sometimes last year's model is just code for saving money. And that's it. Thanks for watching.